But here's where things get really cool. I can unfold it and instantly see the map on the big screen.
Yeah. That's amazing. As you saw, the Galaxy Fold is a device unlike any that's come before it. With the Galaxy Fold, you get a powerful smartphone and a revolutionary tablet, all in a single premium package. When it's folded, it has a 4.6-inch display. It's compact and perfectly portable.
4.6-inch display in the folded mode. That's smaller than most competition, isn't it?
But when the device opens up, your world does too. With a massive 7.3-inch Infinity Flex display that transforms the Fold into a tablet.
Massive 7.3-inch display. Massive 7.3-inch display. Isn't that smaller than the iPad mini? Are there any other smaller displays out there?
Now, in order to create a brand new type of smartphone, we had to develop brand new ways to design, engineer, and manufacture it. From the screen to the frame to every element you can see and touch. We left no stone unturned. One of the biggest challenges was building the backbone of the device, something that could hold strong, even after hundreds of thousands of folds and unfolds.
Okay, so the hinge system allows you to open and close naturally hundreds of thousands of times. So hopefully there won't be creases forming along the LCD display.
So we invented a sophisticated hinge system that allows you to open and close the Galaxy Fold smoothly and naturally. And the beauty of it is, you don't even see it. The hinge's multiple interlocking gears are hidden, giving the device a seamless, elegant look. We also gave you 4 galactic colors to choose from: Cosmos Black, Space Silver, Martian Green, or Astro Blue.
Okay, so there are 4 colors: Cosmo Black, Space Silver, Martian Green, and Astro Blue. Seriously, just go for the Cosmo Black to complete the infinity look. The others just look plain damn weird. But one question, what is going to be a good casing design for this Galaxy Fold?
Depending on the color you choose, you can make it your own by personalizing the hinge color too. The Galaxy Fold is a one-of-a-kind luxury device. With 2 different screens, it's perfect for any situation. When closed, it fits right in the palm of your hand. So you can send a message to a friend or make a call with one hand while you're on the go.
Wow, look at all the wasted space. Looks like a huge-ass bezel. I think the word bezel is an understatement.
Of course, sometimes you want a larger screen. And the Galaxy Fold's Infinity Flex display gives you a powerful multimedia experience. With immersive visuals and sound by AKG, your favorite movies come to life in vivid color and rich audio. And the interior screen is so large that it powers a truly...
So take note of the aspect ratio and you won't be able to utilize the full screen display. And also look out for the huge-ass notch at the bottom right.
Next generation experience. One never before seen on a smartphone. 3-app multitasking. Yeah. You can watch a YouTube video of Hawaii, text your friend about it, and browse travel options all at the same time.
So FYI, you can really do 3-app multitasking on the iPads, but the third screen is floating, which is slightly different from this.
Each screen works perfectly on its own, but the Fold is more than 2 separate screens. It's a unified device. These displays work together to give you a singular, seamless, multi-screen experience. And the key to making this possible is called app continuity. And what that means is that you can switch between the screens without missing a beat. So, when you stumble across an interesting Facebook post on the front display, you can simply unfold your phone to see all the details on the bigger screen.
App continuity. So basically whatever you see on the front screen, you should see resized accordingly when you open the device.
Now, to ensure that all these apps run smoothly, the Galaxy Fold needs unprecedented, unparalleled performance. So that's what we gave it. The Fold has a state-of-the-art 7-nanometer processor and 12 gigabytes of RAM, making it one of the most powerful smartphones on the market. There's 512 gigs of onboard memory, and for the first time on a mobile device, support for Universal Flash Storage 3.0. This means you'll be able to read data twice as fast as most other smartphones, making it incredibly responsive. You may be sitting there asking yourself, how did we build a battery into a phone that folds right down the middle? The answer is we built 2 of them, one on each side of the device. Our engineers have developed special technology to combine energy from both batteries into a single power source. Now that is a whole lot of power. The Galaxy Fold is incredibly versatile. It's a smartphone, a tablet, and a camera that fits in your pocket. And the camera is just as flexible as the rest of the device. In fact, it's actually a system of 6 cameras, 3 on the back, 2 on the inside, and 1 on the front. The Fold will always be ready to capture the moment no matter which way you hold it or you fold it.
Okay, so we know that there are 6 cameras, 3 on the back, 2 on the inside, 1 on the cover. So you can use it when folded or open or any positions.
It's one thing to hear about all the Fold's incredible capabilities from me, but it's another to see them for yourselves.
Thank you. I'm really excited to show everyone what the Fold can do. As you can see, it fits perfectly in my hand.
Wow, that looks really, really thick, like a double whooper.
First, let's unlock it. All I have to do is place my thumb on the side, and I'm ready to go.
Wow.
It's really quick. We have all the usual suspects here. Here are my messages. Here's my email, and my playlist on Spotify. Pretty much everything that I already do on my phone.
Exactly. I find it especially useful folded when I'm on the go. Hey Josh, can we show them how to navigate with Google Maps?
Sure, I can easily pull out Google Maps. Google Maps. Google Maps. But here's where things get really cool. I can unfold it and instantly see the map on the big screen.
Yeah. That's amazing. That is amazing. As you can see, the same map that Josh was just looking at on the front display is already inside, waiting for him. Everything's just like he left it. That is the power of app continuity. And now he can see so much more, the street names, the restaurants, all in greater detail. Oh, well, we have to see that. So let's say Josh wants to watch YouTube and chat with his friend on WhatsApp at the same time. And you never know when he might need to Google something. There you have it. That is 3-app multitasking in action.
The instant toggling of the second and third apps is rather cool, rather than having to drag here and there like the iPad. So basically the OS assumes that you prefer to see multiple apps on the same screen rather than switching to a full screen view.
On the left, the YouTube video is playing. On the right, he's messaging a friend, and if he needs to browse the web, it's right there in the third window. And if he wants to browse in the bigger window, he can do that too. All he has to do is just drag the browser over to the larger display. It's so simple. It's simple and seamless. And the screen is big enough to fit all 3 apps. Now that was great. Thank you for all your help, Josh. Josh Kim, everyone. So whether it's open or closed, the Fold lets you use your favorite apps in completely new ways. That's the magic of the Galaxy Fold. It's unlike anything you've ever seen. The Fold comes in both an LTE and a 5G version, starting from $1,980, depending on your region and carrier.
Starting from 1980, $1,980. Well done, well done.
And
So, what is the use case? Who is the Galaxy Fold for? Is it for somebody who only wants to carry one device, who wants the flexibility to transform his phone into a tablet when required? Or is it a tablet user who thinks that a 7.3-inch tablet is not portable enough, that you need to fold it further and pocket it? For people who follow my channel, they should be familiar with my 80-20 principle. What seems to be a best of both worlds device is actually a worst of both worlds compromise to me. Why? In folded phone mode, you have to live with a thick-ass sandwich with one of the smallest displays. Most people would be using this mode 80% of the time. Would you pay $1,980 for the thickest phone with the smallest display? In open up tablet mode, the 7.3 display is even smaller than an iPad mini. For any serious person who wants to use the tablet most of the time, this would definitely be their last choice, especially where this price can get you a 12.9-inch iPad Pro. So, what would be the best user case scenario for such a device? When commuting or in a cafe, you can open up your device for a better moving viewing or book reading experience. Otherwise, for normal day-to-day use, it would seem too cumbersome to fold and unfold for every single notification. The unfolded small dainty form looks highly susceptible to drops whenever you transit from single-hand usage to two-hands usage. The folded thick-ass phone form also seems more than a handful when you want to type using one hand. I'm not criticizing Samsung for designing this phone. It takes a lot of resources to pioneer such a design. I applaud them for leading the way in and hopefully igniting more companies to research and develop foldable smart devices, bringing the prices down. As of now, I think the only good use case for foldable smart devices is portability. It would be more beneficial for form factors like a 12.9-inch iPad Pro folding into an iPad mini. Otherwise, I would think that the Galaxy Note series is a less cumbersome solution than the Galaxy Fold. With the current entry price point of $1,980, you are better off owning an S10 and a Galaxy Tab combo. This would continue to be the case if prices and thickness of foldable devices do not go down further. Let me know if you think that the Samsung Galaxy Fold is a yay or a nay. What other foldable devices would you like to see in future? Please comment and subscribe.